Hello, my name is VEDANT GARG. I am a student of Step by Step School. Today I will tell you how to make an immunity drink because coronavirus is on and it's very hot also today. I'm telling you to make this drink because it will help you fight the virus. So the ingredients used for this are turmeric, honey, water, lemon and ginger. So let's start. First, we pour some water in a mug. Make sure your water is boiled on the gas because it needs to be warm. Then you have to boil a ginger also with it. Put the ginger in the water. Next, take some lemon to make it sour. If it's less sour, take 2 lemons to do it. Then, take some turmeric. Take only little bit of turmeric or your drink will become very bitter. So, put your turmeric in and mix it. Then, take some honey then with another spoon. Take 1 teaspoon of honey and put it in the water. After that, now mix all of it with 1 spoon. Okay, it's almost done. I'm very excited. So, here, my drink is almost ready. Now, let's take a sip and taste. Wow, yummy! Please try this at home to make your immunity strong. And if you like my channel, please subscribe to it. Bye bye.